something what is pretty nice, because the cool thing is that when you make it right and you understood what the core thing is of making money is about having signals with time that you need to invest that you can get them, signals with money management, that means like how many signals do you have to trade, and what is the money opportunity for each signal. That means, for example, if you sit down and you do swing trading, that means overnight trading, and you trade like for 4 hours and you just have these 2 signals or 3 signals or just maybe just one opportunity, and you know you can put in $100 to get out $300. That's the quality of a signal. So when it comes to day trading, if you do not scalping, when you do day trading and you understood the core of the money making activity, it's all about like when we trade for 1 hour, how many times can we see that we can put in $100 but get $500 in average out. So this is a massive difference, that when you trade like for 1 or 2 hours, let's just say 2 times or 3 times a week, and you have 10 or 20 of those, then I bet that you will be trading way more efficient than if you just have 1 trading opportunity and signal a week where you can put in $100 but get $100 out. So now here's the thing, what is about the strike rate? So when you, for example, have like 10 trades that you took over a specific period of time, and each time you put in $100 but only get $100 out, you need to sustain over 50% that you start making money. But when it comes to a better signal, that means with the money reward, you don't have to concentrate too much that every second, every third trade needs to be a winning trade. You can a bit more lean back, because you can have like 20, 30 signals, and out of these 20 to 30 signals still go with quality. This is something was just very important. Hey, what's up guys? Saw that there are 4 guys right now on the live stream. Let me know in the comment section who you are and what you do so far with day trading. And I just explained in the beginning of this video what trading signals are. What is a money-making activity with it? That means like the strategy, right? Like if you trade for an hour and you have like a week, for 3 times a week you trade, or like every 2 weeks you trade for 2 or 3 hours, and you have like 5 signals where you can put in $100 to get $100 out, or you have 10 signals where you can put in $100 to gain $500 out. It doesn't mean that you have to take every signal. It means you can go with way more quality. So first comes quantity and then quality comes. Another hack, by the way, when it comes to trading is, if you ever look at the chart, make sure that you see minimum 1, 2 or 3 days, and that you understood the personality of the market. So when it comes to day trading futures, for example, it is all about making money by identifying in what direction the market is going at. That means you don't want to have a market that is just like turning around very often to a certain point. Well, that is possible to make money like that, but very often if you have those trading signals, the risk reward ratio, that means the signal will tell you you can put in $100 but only get $100 or $200 out, because these are called reversals. So a reversal is if you trade in the opposite direction of market pressure. There are markets out there like the S&P 500 futures. They run for 3 hours, 5 hours or even greater in one direction, or just stay in one price point. It's pretty cool. And that is called a consolidation phase, when it stays in one price point. Just like around, it's just like wigglish. But when it goes in one direction for multiple hours, then this is called a trend. And the awesome thing is that if you trade this US market to the US session for 1 or 2 hours, and you see past 2 or 3 hours that the market was going up or down, we can assume, and this is not just an assumption like gambling, you can calculate you can clearly assume that the market is still going on in this trend, that means in the same direction, because it's already been 2 hours or 3 hours that the market is going higher or lower. And that's just so important when it comes to a better trading market. So a second trading market, a third trading market, I think is not that good, because mostly they are also bound to the US dollar. So taking just a market that makes most sense, like the S&P 500 futures, I think is the best, because there are markets out there, they spike a lot. That means even though you have a green or red candle, it is still not enough quality yet. For example, if you take gold, for example, or silver, just a small 1 minute chart and a green candle, it's just not enough very often. But when you take the S&P 500 future, this market is so heavy that when it trends, when it pushes out in one direction for multiple hours, every single green or red candle is so powerful that the candle is very small, that when you enter a trade and place your stop loss under it, then adjust with your position sizing like $100. If it just does like 3 or 5 other green candles, then you can get like $500 money opportunities. And this is just something what is very important by picking a good market, is that picking one that is trending, understanding money management with the trading signals, just having a very good trading strategy, right? Do we have any people from US, by the way? People from US, America, or Europe would be pretty interesting. Well, I do futures day trading, and for the futures market, many countries in Asia are restricted. Also, Africa. It's because of US sanctions, and like they call it like a financial task force or something in the US. So they only allow specific countries to trade there, except you're a business owner and you can prove like that you have income of $100,000, $200,000 a year or greater, and a business license. Then also with sanctions, they would allow you maybe to day trade futures over the business account. But other than that, like from the US, from Europe, this is where it makes the most sense to trade. You do live trading? Rami, I do live trading only with students. But the thing is just that when you trade with a lot of money and then you just like on live, there's just like the thing that you want to explain things also. That's why I just trade for myself. And then after I trade it, I just put it online. I show how I trade it. And when I have a student, I'm trading with the student together if he needs it. But elsewise, it's just like it needs so much focus. When you trade with a lot of money, I don't live trade over YouTube. I tried it, but I always tend to explain things and stuff, and then I just can't concentrate too well. So that's why I just like trade for myself, and then after I trade it, then explaining how I did it. And when I have students, sometimes I trade with them live to get on the market. And before he trades with his real money account, what is also the case, it's very important to trade also with the demo account, of course. Do we have any people from US here? US or Europe, by the way, who wants to learn day trading? Let me know in the comment section. I'm driving Mercedes. It's a GLA. Anyways, guys, might be going on another time, man. And just check out the other videos that I have on the channel. I'm also showing their student results. I'm showing the full trading strategy. Just try it out for day trading futures. It's pretty cool. The awesome thing is just that, well, today's Sunday, but the awesome thing is just that you're your own boss. You can trade from wherever, whenever you like. It's just about making more money than you have, more money than you spend, let's just say it like that, and then you're just free. That's it. Ben Starr. I'm in Germany, man. How about you? Me personally, I'm from Germany, but I work with students together that are from US and Europe in combination. So we always meet 10 a.m. Central Time. Depends like on how people are available. Let's just say 10 a.m. Central Time is like a hotspot for Wednesdays. And that's where I do class. Ben, write me on Instagram. My Instagram is Trader Jia Tian Rong. Hold on, can I write this one here? I know how to write here. Here? I know how to write, man. It's called Trader Jia Tian Rong. Write me on Instagram, man. put IG. Ben, do you have Instagram? Trader JT Rong. Like that. There we go. Yeah, buddy, I can't send a link here. You just gotta put inside Trader JT Rong. Let me know if you have Instagram. Right? Let me know if you guys have Instagram. The awesome thing about Instagram is just like that I can write there with people, because on YouTube that's just not possible. Like I can't write with people there. I just created a PDF file with an exercise pen for day trading futures. I'll just send it to you over there. It's really cool, and it's a money-making activity. That means like how to find these trading signals, how to identify in what direction the market is going at by looking the past 1 or 2 hours and then seeing forward what the market is doing. It's Trader. It's Trader JT Rong. It's wrong. Not Trade WVR. It's Trader JT Rong. Just hit me up there, man. Alright, man. Have a good day and see you.